If you love shrimp, then this quick, juicy shrimp and rice meal is absolutely for you. It is packed with flavor, incredibly satisfying, and wait until you see the twist at the end. First, grab 500 grams of cleaned and deveined shrimp. Make sure to tap them completely dry with a paper towel so they get a beautiful sear. In a hot pan, add a drizzle of olive oil and a 2 tablespoons of butter. Then, drop in the shrimp. Let them cook on medium heat for about 3 minutes on the first side. Sprinkle in some salt to your taste and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Then flip and cook for another 3 minutes before setting the shrimp aside. Next, chop 2 onions into small pieces. Just look at the amazing technique my mom uses to chop these onions. Perfect every single time. Using the exact same pan with all those delicious leftover shrimp juices, toss in your onion. Give them a little massage with your spoon to break them apart, and fry them up until they turn pale. Season them with another half teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, and salt to your taste. Keep stirring until the onions turn a gorgeous golden color. Now, push the golden onions to one side of the pan and pour in 2 cups of tomato sauce. Saute the sauce by itself for about 3 minutes to wake up the flavors. Then, mix it all together with the onions. Finally, chop 5 garlic cloves. Add them to the mix and let it saute for 3 more minutes. To make this dish incredibly juicy, pour in a 1/4 cup of water. Grab a handful of fresh parsley, chop it up finely, and stir right into the sauce. Next, squeeze in the juice of fresh lemon. That brightness and sourness completely elevates the sauce and boosts the flavor to the next level. Immediately turn off the stove and toss your cooked shrimp back into that rich, glossy sauce. While that rests, let's prepare the rice. Wash and drain 2 cups of rice. In a separate pot, add a little olive oil. Toss in the rice and add salt to taste. Pour in enough water to cover the rice by about 1 inch. Cover the pot and let it cook on medium-high heat for 7 minutes. Then lower the heat to a simmer for 30 minutes until your rice is perfectly fluffy. Now, for the best part, grab a clean pot or pan, layer the shrimp and that juicy sauce right over the bottom and level it out evenly. Then, add your cooked rice as the second layer on top. Cover it up and let everything steam together on low heat for another 10 minutes so the rice drinks up all those incredible flavors. Finally, grab a large serving tray and place it over the top of the pan. Get ready for a stunt. Flip the pan over carefully and lift it up slowly. Just look at this absolute piece of art. The juicy shrimp are perfectly arranged on top, and that rich tomato sauce is cascading right down over the rice. I wish you could smell how delicious this is right now through the screen. Give this beautiful recipe a try at home, and let me know exactly what you think in the comments section below. Bon appetit, and see you in the next recipe.